If you're doing your bookkeeping but still feel like you're guessing half the time, you're not alone, because the hardest part of doing this yourself isn't the actual steps. It's not knowing if you're doing it right. And that constant second guessing, that's what makes people avoid it altogether. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually do your bookkeeping without second guessing yourself, and what it looks like to have a system and support behind you so you can feel confident in your numbers. Over the past 6 years, I've worked with hundreds of creative business owners, and I've seen the same pattern over and over again. It's not that people can't do their bookkeeping, especially if they have a really simple business. It's that they don't trust themselves while they're doing it. And that's exactly why I built what I'm about to show you. Because at this point, you've seen why doing this wrong can cost you, the exact system that I follow, the myths that have probably been holding you back, and what it looks like to have everything set up correctly from the start. So now the question becomes, how do you actually do this and feel confident that it's right? Because the issue isn't knowledge anymore. It's confidence. It's sitting down to categorize something and thinking, wait, is this right? Did I miss something? Am I going to mess this up? That's what keeps people stuck. And that's exactly why I created my bookkeeping membership. Not to fully take this off of your plate, but to remove the guessing. So you can still do your own bookkeeping, but with support, guidance, and a second set of eyes when you need it. Inside the membership, you get step-by-step resource videos that walk you through exactly what to do, access to our team of professional bookkeepers so you can ask questions as they come up, and live accountability calls where you can actually sit down and do your bookkeeping with us. So instead of wondering if you're doing it right, you can just ask and keep moving, or get back to your creative work that you love. And this is what that actually looks like for our members. One of our clients said, I enjoy budgeting and looking at numbers doesn't scare me, but there's still so much I don't know. Being a part of this has been so helpful. I've made it a regular practice to actually reconcile my books and categorize my expenses. Another said, no question is too silly and there's no judgment ever. And Madison and her team take the time to explain bookkeeping in simple terms. And that's the difference. It's not just learning, it's having support while you do it. And honestly, one of my favorite messages we've ever gotten was, you are an actual angel unicorn superhero, which I will happily accept. But what she was really saying was, this finally felt easy. And then this one from the same person, it just took me 28 minutes to do my entire income account. What is this magic? That's what happens when the system is set up right and you're not second guessing every decision. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know you're not doing it alone and you're doing it accurately. And if you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but I still don't even have this set up yet, or you feel like you're stuck in QuickBooks, that's where our zero setup comes in. We handle that entire process for you so you can walk into this with everything already built. So if you want to stop second guessing your bookkeeping, actually stay consistent with it, and feel confident in your numbers for better business decisions, you can check out the membership below. It's there when you're ready, because you don't need to outsource your bookkeeping to feel confident. You just need the right support. A few things before you go, comment below, what is the one thing that you've been second guessing in your bookkeeping lately? Subscribe to my channel to make sure that you're up to date on new videos each week, and check out the membership. We would love to have you come hang out with us.